Recording. Alright, where's the Vespa?
Vespa on me. Here, brothers. Static brothers, to me.
It won't let me throw down a, there we go. I think.
Yeah!
Alright, let's
go!
Murder Vespa!
Oh my god, that's what? I'm on you, idiot.
Oh, I missed! Andrew, let me get a shot on that plane!
Alright, open fire, brother!
Damn it!
Charge! If you hit something.
Where are you? Charge the enemy.
Oh, I messed up. Taking the objective. We're gonna take a shortcut. Ooh, I unlocked a codex entry. Got a sidecar. I am one of the worst drivers ever. Alright. I'm gonna top off our vehicle and give you,
Give me some ammo.
that not give you ammo?
No, that did.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah!
Going for Charlie. Murder Vespa!
Oh, yeah!
Here, it's all my fucking 33 deaths, but hey, I was fucking sprinting for those kills.
Oh, we can't go through that.
Nope. I hear a horse. Heads up!
There it is.
Enemy horsey! Bring me around!
I see it, brother! Take the shots! It went through that tree line.
There he is! He's coming to our left! Chase down the horsey!
We have taken objective Charlie.
He's going around. Going right. Going left. Going left.
Where'd he go?
I lost track of him.
We are going to kill this horse, Andrew. This is our mission.
Oh my god, I keep getting stuck. I think he's gone, brother.
Alright. No, I hear horses! Behind us!
Oh, he got me, brother!
Nonsense! Bring that rapscallion to me!
Alright.
He's coming for you, brother!
I'm done.
You done?
Andrew.
No, the Vespa! I can fix this! I swear I can fix this! I can make this right!
I'm gonna charge golf as artillery. as cavalry.
Okay, I got killed by a plane. Alright, let's
Hey,
go.
Andrew, you know what that means?
Murder
Go back
Vespa?
to spawn.
We go
Murder
back to
Vespa.
Murder Vespa.
Back to Vespa.
Checkpoint Vespa.
We have taken objective George.
Do you see one?
George has been
Oh,
taken.
right here!
One Murder Vespa?
Onward, Squire!
Onward, Squire. We're on Foxtrot. Woo! We're being attacked.
Oh, I hit it! Dude,
What'd you
I
hit?
hit that bomber!
Good hit. You kill it? All right,
Dude, bring me back!
we're gonna chase
Bring
it
me
down.
back. Murder Vespa!
You hit our bomber.
Yeah, he
I
hit
hit
it.
the enemy bomber!
He's too fast for us, brother.
He's getting too far away. Andrew, peel off. New target.
Up above us.
I was riding around on a horse. I was having fun.
I think I see a sniper there.
Where's Harwell at? I'm in a land ship fucking engaging people like golf.
Oh, we...
Did you get him?
No. No, I didn't kill him.
Oh, found you!
It's right there.
We could use
He's
a
dead.
gunner.
I didn't kill him.
Pretty damn good.
Andrew, chase down that truck!
We're doing that
What truck?
pretty goddamn good.
We went over there. It's in our spot. To your left.
Is heading towards spawn.
Yeah, to our left, you can see the red.
Oh, I see it.
There's an artillery truck where you guys are headed. We chased him that way.
Yeah.
Got ammo? All right, hit him.
You're done, son!
Did you get him?
Woo!
All right.
Got him!
Incoming, incoming. Oh, or not. Okay. We chased him down. All right, I'm gonna top you off real quick.
Ammo, pick it up.
The
Get
Murder
ammo?
Vespa, there is an enemy tank at Echo. We require fire support.
Enemy tank at Echo coming.
Enemy tank at Echo!
Enemies! We need enemies! One murder Vespa coming up.
One murder Vespa coming up. Enemy sniper!
Oh, was that a friendly tank at Echo?
No, enemy.
God. We are in the friendly tank. Me and Justice are. There's a shit ton of enemies.
Heads up! Eyes front! Eyes front! Good takedown. Murder Vespa! I missed him! Take him out!
Enemy vet! I got him! Tank!
Got the tank on us.
Andrew, to the left! We're down.
Yep.
Enemy tank to the front! Enemy tank front!
I see it!
You wanna wait until there's a tank?
Yeah. Andrew, we need another Vespa.
What do you want? Land ship, heavy ship, or assault?
You think about a land ship?
I can't believe that's working.
Sometimes the hardest choices require the strongest of wills.
I don't see a Vespa, brother.
Lost objective Edward.
Brother. We wait.
I believe we're out of Vespa.
Ammo, right there.
What does cyanide mean? Far from Vespa.
Brother, we wait. The universe shall provide us transportation,
Take
brother.
an ammunition.
And it should be a bane upon our enemies.
Got one.
You did?
Ah.
On you.
Brother, I think we're gonna
guys
have to go
wanna
to the
hop
next
in the tank?
objective. We're trying to...
Brother, a Vespa has spawned.
Ah! The video game gods have answered our prayers!
Onward, brother.
It is a sign from heaven!
Dude,
You want me
this
to drive,
shouldn't
Justin?
work,
You
but
got
it does.
I got you left and right. So if you need to reload, turn to the right or something so I can get a shot.
Oh, I was hoping to take that point.
Reinforce our tank, brother.
Heading, brother.
Reinforce. Directly to our left.
That building, right there. You see it?
The Vespa comes!
Lost
Oop.
objective Charlie.
Ah! Gonna go back up Charlie.
Run! Run, brother!
I'm trying, brother! I am hit! I am hit, brother! Go, brother! Brother!
Justice, why are we just sitting here? We're shooting ducks.
Because I have artillery on this as well I was using.
Alright, I am spawning in the tank, brother. There's an enemy in the building on the left. Which I currently can't
this
see.
down, destroy it.
Objective done.
Brother, I am coming to you!
That ammo's for you.
Bringeth me the Vespa!
Roger that, brother!
I hear the Vespa. I see an enemy horse, brother!
Room for one more.
Brother, the Vespa is all
Take some
yours!
ammo.
Tally ho, brother! Enemy to enemy vehicle in front of us. 12 o'clock. Going towards George. Oh, right there, brother.
Stand artillery truck.
Follow that dust cloud.
Truck to our right. Easy target. Over the hill.
Over the hill and through the woods.
To the left. To the left, brother. He gets away.
I see him, brother.
He's trying to run.
I'm gonna repair.
There's no place to hide.
Run, brother.
Did you get him? Hit him, brother. He's running.
I can't. He's over the hill. Damn it.
God damn it.
I can't see him. I got 2 shots.
He's right there in front of us, brother.
Charlie, let's take Charlie.
Andrew, run!
I'm trying. No.
Destroy that building. We got snipers up on the building.
This should not work in a million years, and yet it does.
You need to stop sitting still. That's why we're getting ticked off.
Take the ammo.
You're a tank. Do tank things.
Brother, the Vespa, it is not here. Our gods are displeased.
Brother, the gods appease us with another one. Onward.
Brother, we have taken damage.
Brother, Alpha needs our support.
Oh, I'm down. Dang it.
Alright, let's move.
I have. Oh, I do have to repair.
All right, I'm spawning on the tank. I want to do some tank things.
Alright, cool. I will also do some tank things.
All right, going for Delta.
All right, we're full up.
Objective done.
All we got to do is just maintain this center area.
They're reinforcing Delta. I got at least one enemy ship there.
Enemies moving in behind us.
I missed. Oh, I got a hit.
Enemies in the build. Oh, incoming plane.
Behind me. Enemy.
I just disabled the. Heads up, incoming enemy infantry. Enemy demolition team. He's down.
Super
I need to
moving,
repair.
Francis. You're doing good.
All right, cover me. I'm cutting out for repair. Keep fighting. Keep fighting.
We have lost objective button.
In a bad spot for repair.
Keep fighting. Keep fighting.
Keep fighting, brother!
There's
Ah!
no fighting. There's no point in fighting.
There was a
We're
field gun in
posting-
front of you.
Yes, I know. That's why I was trying to figure out why we were posted up there.
We have lost
Oh my
objective
god,
Charlie.
dude.
What I do need to know. What I do know is I need to fix my land ship. That's for fucking sure.
Brother.
I'm spawning in a tank.
Gun.
Brother, I spawned in a tank. We're doing tank things.
Let me respawn and become something better.
Brothers, join me upon the tank. We will let loose glorious battle upon the enemy. Roger, Commander.
It's quiet. Too quiet. Eyes up, bomber! We're gonna take Bravo after this.
Roger, boss.
Keep moving like I was doing.
Yep, just trying
Like
to...
repairing. The Vespa's back.
Alright, moving to Bravo. We are losing ground. We need to get into that city as quickly as possible.
Andrew, I have a repair tool with me, so
Roger.
I'm not gonna be able to heal as fast as you, but I can help you heal.
Watch the cliffs above us, by the way.
I am only on the right side.
Watch out.
I can't shoot him. You're moving.
Hit him.
Just kidding. I don't know where he went. He's back here somewhere though.
He's hiding in the,
Infantry in front. I don't have a shot. I
Oh.
can't shoot. We keep rotating.
Alright, hit him.
Got him. He's down.
Yep.
Steady. I'm watching on our left.
Onward!
Onward to Charlie.
We have taken objective
If we had one more dude, our entire squad would be in this fucking truck.
Dude, Andrew, tell me you got the clip of the murder vest.
Of course I got the clip of the murder vest. Enemy front.
Yes, dude.
I got him. Move. Get us on Charlie.
Heads up, that's a field gun.
Don't stop. Move. Rotate left. Damn good shit, brother.
Ouch.
Enemy behind the rock. Or he might have went in the building there. Behind us, behind us.
To our left. He's to our left and behind us now.
Oh, so I couldn't see anyone if there was someone there.
Alright, moving to Charlie. I'm gonna bring her around. Beginning repairs.
I'm watching the front.
Alright, circling around to engage. Nothing here. Alright, switching. What's the next play, boss? Enemy front.
Taking Delta. We're sitting ducks here.
Enemies here. Topping off repair, moving. Enemy front. Got him.
Bro, he was going for that anti-air gun.
Alright, moving towards Delta.
Multiple enemies in front. Watch it. Don't go. A good hit.
Enemy on the right. Got him. Enemies front.
I jumped out to heal Andrew. I couldn't really heal much, but
It's okay. Nope, that's an enemy field gun looking at us.
yeah, I see it. I gotta wait 3 seconds to spawn in.
Alright. Come on. Just gotta get to cover. We're stuck. Heal us, heal us, heal us. Get us moving. Enemies are coming.
Yep.
Alright, move, move, move. Let's go.
I jumped out and I fired for you.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Hey Andrew, find a good spot and like get a full heal.
Enemies are coming in behind us. I think right behind this hill, especially with the smoke, we've got decent cover here.
We have taken objective Duff.
Giving us some smoke cover. Soon. Alright, we're good. Moving. Nope.
Fella, you're not getting off until like midnight.
Alright, should we move to Charlie? Make him fight for it?
We must break Charlie's line.
Alright. Roger that, boss. Give us a heading, brother.
I can't, I'm watching R6.
We have lost lost objective Duff.
Enemy on the roof.
Watch our right side.
Somebody jumped in and then jumped right back out.
Heads up on the right. Enemy in front. A hapless enemy. That's where. Okay.
Sighted a tank.
They got a tank. Oh, incoming.
Airplane. You got a
Honor 6.
We have taken objective Charlie.
All right. Moving up.
artillery truck right there.
See that? An enemy tank.
I see it. Oh, that was a bad shot. Come on. Come on, give me a shot. All right. Healing us up.
Objective George.
All right. Let us go. Incoming horse.
Horse incoming.
You see it?
Horsey, fast and low!
On our front. Enemy low building on the right. Ah, damn it. All right. Heal it up. That is an enemy artillery truck behind us. Oh, wow.
Damn it!
He really wanted us, and he's killed us twice. Nice. Oh. Grab another tank. We're going to head for Bravo. Should I grab a land ship instead?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Ah,
that
two-
would've been smarter.
land ships are better.
Alright. Moving up. Alright.
Ships have
After
multiple
this, I
cannons
think we're
on
going to have
both
to go back
sides.
to the murder Vespa. Oop.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Alright. Let us be gone. Brothers, join me in glorious combat.
Dude, you know when that artillery truck fired on us, he was like, dude, there was a full squad in that thing.
Oh, probably.
He wiped out a whole squad. Except for I wasn't in there, so he didn't get squad wiped.
If he gets the final hit, it counts.
He got 3 of you. I jumped out at the last minute and ran off.
Go
Directly
behind,
to our front.
go behind enemy lines. Like go after, like Foxtrot and
Oh.
Echo, and move your way forward.
Ooh. Oh, wow.
That's not good.
Wow. All right, that was bad on my part.
I'm still alive, brother!
Murder Vespa?
There we go.
Yeah, murder Vespa.
There's ammo.
We have taken objective Duff.
We're taking the objective. Hold on.
Brother, the gods are displeased.
Grab that ammunition.
Brother, the gods are never displeased with our performance.
We need the Vespa.
Oh, dear gods, of all 3 wills,
Grant us a grant
grant us
for you.
transportation at this vital hour.
no, grant us Vespa so we might
To your enemies.
no.
Take
Gra-
the ammo.
We have lost objective butter.
1, 2,
Lost. The enemy's taking
come
objective.
on, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, give me a Vespa. Oh. Andrew, it's a man to blood sacrifice.
No. What? Let me finish this and then I'll come to bed.
Ah,
We are winning this, but by fucking barely.
All right. I don't
Who
think we're gonna
grabbed
get the brother.
assault tank? Who grabbed the assault tank?
Wasn't me
again?
this time. Brother, I don't think we're wasting too much
Oh, no,
time
yeah,
here.
you grabbed
Brother.
the land ship. Hell yeah.
Brother.
Why are you going for Bravo again?
Patience.
Go for, like, behind
Andrew.
enemy lines. Fuck
Hey,
Bravo.
I didn't
Justice-
tell you where to go in your tank, so you don't tell me where to go in mine.
Brother, I don't think a Vespa is going to spawn.
I don't think so either, brother.
It's okay, brothers.
A tank has arrived in our hour of
The
need.
gods have sent me to you. They said you require death.
We have lost objective apples.
Go for apples. That's where we get our tanks from.
Brother, mark apples and bring us in. I must smite the enemy. Let us show them what we are made of.
We have lost objective Duff.
150 meters in front of us, rotating for a powerful gun.
We have taken objective apples.
Pushing on to Bravo.
My squad boost has expired.
I say we go to the outsides and take those back like Foxtrot and Delta.
Well, Delta, Echo, and
Nonsense. Heresy.
we must do as the squad lead
If you're
demands.
on the if you're on the cannon, you have a shotgun round when you press Y.
We know.
We have to take Charlie back. I got an armored gunner. Light him up, brothers.
They are taking Alpha back.
Every time somebody shows up, I rotate to where we get the most guys fucking pointing guns.
Dude, you have one seat not filled.
Yeah, that's why whoever fucking 2 and 4 is gets all the action.
I am 4.
We have taken objective butter.
Yeah.
I
you
bel-
Aaron has
both
not
of you
seen
on my
action?
fucking left.
We control the majority of objectives, brothers. Tally ho! We must be back in time for tea and crumpets.
For the queen!
Aye, for the queen.
Wait, yeah, we're the good guys. Hold on, I gotta swap these.
We are losing objective Charlie.
Tank, over there, one of them.
I got an enemy vehicle to my left.
All right, hopping out for repairs. Oh,
We have lost objective Charlie.
I tried to do what I could.
I suck at flying, so not me.
Oh my god, I'm in the air!
All right. I have complete faith in you. And by faith, I mean I have none.
Oh my god, I don't know how to fly!
Bring us up. Bring us up.
I don't know how to fly! Oh my god.
Plane spotted.
Are you a fighter?
Oh, while you do that, I'm gonna get a heavy bomber that can hold all of us.
I just need to get takedowns as a passenger. Brother, this fight is very close.
Brother, I have something more up armored.
I am on the rear gun.
Good shot. That soldier's one of theirs.
I am on a side. I was on a side gun. Oh, we are getting shot at. Why can I not shoot behind us?
There's a plane under us. Aaron, we need you. We need our bomber.
All right, I can repair the freaking thing from inside. That is nice.
We are winning.
We are winning. How? How? Bring us in for a bombing run. Oh, hang on. Just focus on flying. I got repairs. Get us some good hits.
Dropping bombs. Hell yeah.
I can't switch seats.
Full now.
All right, get us up.
Objective
Get us airborne. I'm gonna do a drive-by.
Abdullah has joined the
Ammo's got
fight.
your name on it.
I'll keep us topped off.
That ammo's for you.
Oh, there we go.
Holy
Finally.
Christ. It's there.
God dang.
Oh wow.
God dang it! Aaron, are you? Can you repair?
I'm repairing.
All right, excellent. I will gun.
Sighted, an enemy soldier.
The
I know we
doctor
can
will be the
Watch out, a
doctor.
soldier.
Oh, we won.
Dude, we won 3 times.